Hey guys, welcome back to the Handbuilt Cars YouTube channel, and I hope you had a wonderful weekend. And the first thing that I want to say is a big thanks to everyone who watched the previous video about the channel video logo intro animations. Oh, confusing. I'm already confused how to properly name it. But yeah, it was video about the intro animations. So yeah, big thanks to everyone who watched it. And even bigger thanks to those who actually write a comment which one they prefer better. And the absolute winner is number 3, that fiery one. Yeah, it's quite a nice one, and it really suits the channel. But the thing is that I made some few more, 5 to be honest, and yeah. One is kind of rock decay one, where it kind of grows with the moss and grass and kind of cracks over the time, and the other one is rust, kind of rusty one. Then there is kind of this drawing, and then the next one is like a shiny brushed metal, and the last one is super corporate, but it's a nice one as well. So yeah, let's check it out, and hope you like at least one of those as well. Like, make sure to write a comment down below which one you prefer better, and yeah, we're gonna see which one gonna be the winner of this episode. So yeah guys, and if you have some ideas or suggestions about the videos that I should make on this channel, just write it down in comments down below. Like, yeah, if you have some good ideas, and just share it with me, since we have now this lockdown and I'm unable to go somewhere and film some things because it's not essential. But yeah, I'm open up for your ideas, for your suggestions. And oh, by the way, don't forget to check out my merch store on the Teespring. I have a quite cool t-shirt designs. And if you wish to help the channel, go to the Patreon, Handbuilt Cars. You can even drop me $1 or so. We don't have a monetization on this channel, so every dollar helps. Okay, thanks guys for that, and yeah, probably see you in the next video. Hope this one goes well. And oh, by the way, enjoy this drive to, hope you like this footage of me driving to Mount San Antonio in California.